everybody. My name is Joe Scarpetta, and I'm going to walk you through Jarvis CRM. Let's take a look at projects. This is another area that has changed within Jarvis this year. All new charting to give us our status, what's been assigned, what's running late, who's on the team, what's the status of their task, open, late, risk assessment. Let's look at risk. That's a new area. Of the risk, we have cost, schedule, and performance. Those are the impact areas for every project. And then as we go through and look at this, server, likely, performance. So we might say that the servers might be inefficient for the specific project that we're building. The plan might be, let's recommend, a new server if we see these certain stats. And at that point, then that would close. In this case, a CEO is going to be out for 6 months. It's insignificant, but it can impact the schedule. But then we build a plan to say, contact someone else to handle that part. We have our resources. So everyone can be assigned to the project easily just by adding a resource, selecting the person, what their role is. We have our roles, but our roles are now project specific. So we can select roles from a master list back in our settings, and then we can filter what roles are going to live with the project. So we have a template that works in general with the project. If I have Slack created, I can click this button, it'll create a Slack channel. This will give me a message here saying some information there. With the projects, we can then create and save templates. So as my Gantt chart pops up, we now manage all of our Gantt chart tasks from within this new window. So all of our work is done in here. We can put in our estimated time, all of our dates flow and update properly, then based off of changes or milestones, easily add other items. I can select who's going to be working on what specific items, and then these flow directly to a task list for someone. On the right side, I see my Gantt chart build out. I can set dependencies. Those update back on this other screen, and I can quickly save the Gantt chart before exiting and closing this window. I'm locked in here. I close the window as a precaution to make sure you did save your changes. If I'm really working on an intense Gantt chart, I can't open this in the web browser, take advantage of having it in full screen. Attach unlimited documents, create invoices. We still have our actions. I can track activities and email. With the 360works plugin, once it's configured, if we forwarded an email or sent an email from a project, it would use this email address. It'd be your domain. Additionally, we've added notebooks. Notebooks are large text fields where we're able to format and set up text in a nice formatted document as such.